Right, so this will be at the end of our 3 branches of government lessons for 3rd grade social studies, and I would direct the students to grab their laptop or tablet, whichever one that they have been assigned. They would log into their laptop, they would follow or type in joinmyquiz.com, which I have one set up already. Then they would enter this join code for the class, for the assessment. Simply input the code and join. They make sure that it's their name. They hit the start button. Then they wait until I can make sure that all of the students are logged in properly. And then I would hit the start button. This assessment is actually student-led, so they actually can read the questions and answer the questions themselves. And I, as the teacher, just over here would watch their participation. And they would just go through and answer the questions. This assessment has 11 questions. And they would just go through and answer the best they can. So at the end of the assessment, the students can actually look at their performance stats. They can see how many of the 11 questions they got correct, how many they got incorrect, about how long it took them to answer each question, and they can scroll down. They can actually review the questions, click on the question. They can see the answer that they chose versus the correct answer. And they can actually scroll through and do that with each question. As for the teacher side, I can actually go through and look at each student's score and see which questions they got correct, which questions they got incorrect. Maybe see what we need to review. And lastly, I can email all the parents of the students that took the quiz and just make sure that the box is checked and enter in the parent guardian email address and click send. The email has sent successfully, and there you have it.